Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I woke up this morning to a beautiful video of a collard green harvest by Broke Farmer. I have my own beautiful harvest, so after I watch his video, I'm gonna go harvest my own. And I even said, Broke Farmer, you inspired me to go and harvest my collards. And here I am. Look at these big old leaves. I should have harvested a while ago, but just being lazy. But now I'm here, and I'm gonna harvest these beautiful collards. Thank you, Broke Farmer, for the inspiration, getting me up bright and early. This California sun. All right. Nice. All right, y'all, took it one step further and decided to just go ahead and cook up these greens. So there you have it. One day I'll post the recipe, but today is not that day. You know the motto, each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.